brand new Kone Monospace at Carseldine, the Village shopping centre. Unfortunately, this has LCD. That crappy voice. Disappointment, but whatever. Nice bronze though. That looks nice. $1,200 kilograms, 16 persons. Build quality feels decent enough.
First floor. Doors open.
AMD 1.
Going down. Doors closing. Ground floor.
Very dark in here.
Doors opening.